Alright, we're good.
Alright, this is Ross's Camaro. It's a 98 Camaro. We just bought it and drove it home from Cincinnati. It drove great home from Cincinnati. The next day, noticed just a tapping noise and thought it was probably a lifter. Went to go take the car yesterday to get it transferred, and it was a rod bearing, and the bearing totally gave out. So I know you guys want to listen to it run. I'm going to start it, but I'm not going to leave it running long because I'd like to try to salvage the engine that's in it, and I don't want to do any further damage. So I'm going to go ahead and start it. Ross, just kind of point towards the front there.
Yeah.
Hopefully it'll start.
Alright, you want me to cut it or what?
What?
You want me to cut it?
Yeah, you can go ahead and cut it. Let's see if they can hear it, pick up the sound.
Alright.